first myth we're looking at this week is the idea that asthma is only a childhood condition and is something that children can outgrow. Now, we know that asthma often starts in childhood. The NHS estimates that 1 in 11 children in the UK currently has asthma. So many people's first experiences of taking asthma medication or being formally diagnosed do happen when they're very young. But asthma isn't necessarily a condition that children and young people will outgrow. There are instances where symptoms appear to go away altogether, or they noticeably improve during the teenage years, but then they can often reappear later in life. It's actually really important not to assume that asthma will go away as young people get older, because as they start to become more independent and go through transitions such as starting college or moving out of home, it can be really easy to start letting asthma management slip or to pay a bit less attention to those asthma triggers. So we do need to keep in mind that asthma can and does affect people of all ages. In fact, asthma can be developed for the first time in adults, and there are differences between childhood and adult asthma. The causes behind the condition can differ, so causes of childhood asthma often include things like exposure to environmental factors such as smoke or air pollution, or occasionally it can be due to airway infections at a very young age. We can't always pinpoint the causes or the triggers for asthma in young children. In comparison, the triggers for asthma in adults are thought to be more closely linked to things like allergies, obesity, regular exposure to toxins or chemicals, and in women, changes in hormones that are caused by pregnancy or menopause. So while many people do find that symptoms and severity of asthma alter with age, it's important to keep in mind that the condition can very much remain from childhood all the way into adulthood.